Who doesn't want to lose weight? But if you know the right reason why you have gained weight, then losing weight is not difficult. Let us see why you are finding it difficult to lose weight. What are the reasons of gaining weight in these conditions? So number one, you are taking excess calories of food. You need to understand and find out the difference between thirst and hunger. Many a times we eat because we are bored, because we have to eat it's a time, or we are thirsty. We don't drink water, but we eat rather. So excess calories, more than 1500 to 2000 calories of food if we consume, then there is always a chance that you are putting on weight. Number two, there could be a medical reason. Why you are putting on weight? You could be having a fatty liver, PCOS, hypothyroidism, or something very similar hormonal imbalance disease or of insulin resistance making you putting on weight. In spite of eating right diet, doing exercise, if you are putting on weight, then you need to get tested. Number three could be hormonal irregularities. So a female with the irregular hormones or a PCOS or infertility can always gain weight as much as 10 to 15 kgs in 2 months. So if you are having a wrong hormones or an increased level of androgens or testosterone in the body, it is very easy to gain weight. Number four, if you are having a hereditary factor. If your parents are obese, if your family members are obese, there is always a chance, in spite of eating right food, that you could be overweight or obese. Don't lose heart. Even an obese person with the hereditary and the genetic factor, Ayurveda has solutions to lose weight if you are following it up strictly. Other than normal people, you have to put double effort, but definitely you can lose weight. Number five, you could be suffering from stress. Stress, yes, definitely. It could be a long-term stress which is increasing a cortisol hormone in your body. Stress will make you put on weight, make you eat wrong type of food, lack of sleep. Along with this makes your fat metabolism low, and then you will gain weight. So long-term stress, a no-no for weight loss. Number six, you could be suffering from depression. Yes, a depression patient will have a less of serotonin hormone, that is called happy hormones. So a depression patient along with depression medications always has a chance of gaining weight. You could have seen a depression patient taking medications has always easily put on 10-20 kgs of weight in a year. This also can be reversed once you discuss with your doctor and change the medications. There are certain type of medication which will make you put on weight. It could be hormonal injections, it could be depression medications, it could be steroids. A simple cough, cold or a pain, you have taken steroids, or an asthma can make you easily put on 10-20 kgs of weight. So just observe that you have been taking any medication from the last 6 months and there is a drastic increase in the weight. This could be the reason. Apart from this, if you are doing lack of exercise or you are not exercising at all, sitting at home, sitting at office, no exercise will make you put on weight. You know the reason and you know the solution. It could be gym, exercise, dancing, walking, swimming, any form of physical activity will make you lose weight. Other than this, lack of sleep. Yes, lack of sleep or an excess sleep after food could also make you put on weight. You may be sitting with your laptop or computer or phone for a very long period and you sleep very late. You get less than 4-5 hours of sleep. Then there is again changes in your body which will make you put on weight. Or you are eating food and immediately going to bed in the afternoon for 3-4 hours. Then also there is a chance that you could put on weight. So keeping a regular sleep of 6 to 8 hours at night is important in maintaining the weight. Last but not the least, fat metabolism is one of the reasons why you are gaining weight. Some of you might be doing a drastic diet, totally fat loss diet, high protein diet, Mediterranean diet. So multiple diets can make you lack certain required fat in the body. This can cause fat metabolism, along with the unwanted hormones in the fatty liver also can cause fat metabolism. So to lose weight, you need to take right amount of fat. maybe in the form of sesame oil or the virgin coconut oil can be consumed. So we have seen these 10 conditions wherein you easily put on weight. Please make sure and check yourself which are the reasons why you are putting on weight. Rectifying or correcting these can make you easily lose weight.